Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Christmas Homer Simpson. So first we're going to get started with the left eye, and we're just going to draw in a nice big circle. In the middle, slightly over to the left, we're going to draw in a small circle for the pupil of the eye. Next, for the nose, we're going to start lower down, and we're going to curve this line around and then up. And then moving behind this, we're going to draw in another circle, closing off the right eye. And then again in the middle, we're just going to draw in another circle for the pupil of the eye. Closing off the rest of the mouth now on the right hand side, we're going to arch this line down towards the bottom. From that point here, we're going to curve this line out for the lip, arching this line across towards the left. And then beside that, we're just going to draw in a small curved line, arching that up. Underneath now, stepping further in, we're going to curve this line around and then back in towards the nose. Now from here on the right hand side above the eye, we're going to arch this line in. Coming over on the left on a diagonal for the ear, we're going to draw in the letter C. And then on top, we're going to curve this line down. And then on the inside, we're just going to arch this line back in towards the bottom. We're going to draw in a letter M for the hair up above. Now for the side of the head, we're just going to draw in a curved diagonal line that comes up. And now we're going to draw in the Santa hat up above. So from this point, we're going to draw in a curved line as we come all the way over, arching this across in this pattern. And then we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes back down, closing off the top of the head. Now on the right hand side, we're going to curve this line in as we come across towards the top. And then as we come down on a diagonal on the left, we'll replicate that, arching that in. And then now on the top, we're just going to curve this line in as we come all the way over towards the right. Now we're going to draw in the pom-pom on the left. So again, we're just going to draw in that curved line pattern as we come all the way around, creating a circle. Closing off the rest of the hat now, on the bottom, we're going to arch this line in. On the top, we're going to curve this line over. To the left of that, we're going to arch this line in towards the middle. And then again, starting back on this line, we're going to curve this line all the way around and then down on the right. And now coming through for the neck underneath, we're just going to arch this line out. Now for the collar, we're going to draw in the curved line pattern again, 3 times in total as we come down on the left. And then we'll just do this twice as we come in towards the chin. From the point in the middle, we're going to draw in 2 diagonal lines that come out on both sides. On the right, we're going to curve this line down and across. And then on the left, we're going to arch this line in. And then again, replicating that pattern as we come all the way over towards the middle. Let's draw on our left arm now. So coming out on the left-hand side, we're going to draw a diagonal line. Underneath this, we're going to curve this line over. And then again, we're just going to bring this diagonal line out on the left. On the top now, we're going to curve this line across 3 times. And then from here, we're going to draw on the hand. So we're going to curve a line that comes out. For the thumb, we're going to curve this line around and then in. Moving across, we're going to curve this line over. Underneath, we're going to arch this line up. For the last finger, we're going to curve this line around and then down. In the center, we're going to curve this line in. And then again, one more time, just arching this line down and in towards our thumb. Now, closing off the sleeve, we're going to curve this line around and down. And then we'll do the same thing on the left. And then now from here, we're just going to connect this together by replicating that pattern as we come all the way over on the side. Now let's draw in the body. So on the right hand side for the torso, we're going to curve this line down. As we come over towards the middle, we're going to draw in the belt buckle. So we're going to arch this line out, down, and then in. And then leaving a gap, moving over on the right. Let's replicate that. Now from here, we're going to close this off on the top and bottom with a straight line from left to right. To the right of this, we're going to bring this line out, down, and then in. Up above, we're going to draw in a rectangle now, bringing this line up, across, bringing this all the way over so it connects on the bottom. On the top, we're going to draw in two curved lines that arch in towards the middle. On the left-hand side, closing off the left side of the jacket, we're going to curve this line down. For the belt buckle, we're going to arch this line in. And we'll do this on both sides. And then again, one more time, dropping a little bit lower. Let's replicate that. Now in the middle, we're going to curve this line out on the left as well as on the right. And then we're going to copy that pattern with the curved line. So we're going to do this all the way across, bringing this around and in on the left. And then on the top, we're just going to curve this line down as we come all the way over on the right. And then again on the right hand side, just curving this line around and then up, and then curving this line down and then out on the side. Let's draw on our right arm now. So we're going to draw in a curved diagonal line that comes out towards the side. Dropping lower, lining that up at the same height, we're going to replicate that. Moving up above, we're going to draw in three curved lines again for the bottom of the hand. For the thumb, we're going to curve this line out and then in. Moving down, we're going to curve this line in. On the bottom now, we're going to arch this line over. And then we're going to curve this line around and then back in. In the middle, we're going to curve this line across. And then again, one more time, we're just going to arch this line around and then down. And then now, closing off the sleeve, we're just going to follow this curved pattern as we come all the way around and in towards the bottom of our hand. Now let's draw in our legs. So in the middle, we're going to curve this line over towards the left. We're going to draw in two straight lines that come down, ending those at the same height. And then stepping over to the outside, let's replicate that, ending those again at the same height. Now from here on the left-hand side, we're going to arch this line in. We'll do the same thing on the right. And then on the inside of the left line, we're going to curve this line out again. And then now from here, we're just going to draw that curved line pattern as we come across on the right. And then we'll do the same thing on the left. Now on the bottom, we're going to arch this line down this time as we come all the way over towards the side. Now let's draw in our shoes. So on the inside, we're going to curve two lines that come out on both sides. Let's draw a diagonal line that comes out on the back. We're going to bring this line up and then back down. On the right, we're going to curve this line across towards the side. We'll do the same on the left. Now from that point, we're going to curve this line up and then in on both sides. And then on the inside, we're just going to curve this line across and then over. And that is it. That's how you draw Christmas Homer Simpson. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.